Are you finding it challenging to handle demanding customers? This training module is your ultimate solution. Its purpose is to help you nurture a skilled team that excels in customer interaction, regardless of the degree of difficulty that the customer presents. Whether you encounter an aggressive individual, a chronic complainer, an indecisive customer, or someone with little patience, this module addresses each scenario. We emphasize a hands-on approach that always aims for a win-win. Get access to this feature-packed module now and grab up to 15% off by clicking on the link in the description. This valuable resource provides an in-depth exploration of 3 key approaches: empathy, control, and advocacy. Each approach is examined under the microscope, offering comprehensive insights and guidance. To acquire practical knowledge of the concept, you will engage in diverse role-playing scenarios tailored for customer types. This experience will enable you to gain valuable skills and first-hand familiarity with situations that arise within moments on the customer service desk. Get this content-ready training module now from the given link and start building a dedicated customer support team. As part of the training module, you will receive exclusive slides summarizing the key takeaways. These slides are a helpful reference, allowing you to easily recall and reinforce what you have learned during the session. This convenient tool also provides additional slides for testing your knowledge. It features assignments with multiple-choice questions that allow you to check and reinforce your understanding of the material. This complete deck is your one-stop solution for your training needs to handle challenging customers. Download it now from the link. For more presentations and templates, visit www.slideteam.net.